So, yo, what is up guys, for today's video, we are going to unpack this Beyblade X. So, first time ko lang i-try yung Beyblade X. So, yeah. Let's go! Wow! Jeez! Awesome! Styro. Ito. So, ito yung launcher ng Beyblade X, yung winder nila. So, this is the winder. So, tatlo. Uy! No resistance. Brother! So, napakahaba ng winder. So, pili ko malakas to. Haba kasi ng winder niya. See? So, let's unpack the Run Sword. Yeah, babe. First time tayong Beyblade X. It is smaller than I thought. But, so yeah. Maliit siya. So, ewan ko kung tawag dito. For now, we'll call it, I'm just a newbie. For now, we'll call it this and driver. I'm just a newbie. So, yun nga, no, napakabigat. Para ba ito i-assemble? I will try my best. What? Yo, naikot. What? How? I'm trying my best. How do you assemble Beyblade X? Ganito ba to? Ano ba to, naiikot? Hindi. Naikot. Okay, spasmado yung kamay ko. Oh my goodness. How to assemble. Nakapabaliktad to. Ano kasi, so, baka i-align. Ay, namumove ba to? Is this movable? It's movable. So, kailangan natin pagkapasok, kasalpak, makaiikot to. So, guys, I am trying my best. I'll be right back. So, here is it assembled. So, yeah, napaka-pogi ni Idol. So, tanong, is this durable? Kaya niya bang makipagsabayan sa mga malalupit na katulad dito? Right. Isa pa nito. Ay, mahina yan. Ito. Real. So, kaya nga ba ni Dranzord ang kanyang mga comment? Kukuha tayo. Shish. First opponent muna natin to. So, yeah. Let's get to the battles. Ano tanong? Matibay ba to? So, durability test starts now. What the? How do you even? Focus ka kasi. Really? So, mag-arap tayo ng ibang launcher. So, masira. What the? So, yeah. Hindi naman siya nasira. Huwag kang masira. Why? Why do you jump? Huh? What do you think? Next. Real. Huwag kang masira. Dura. Medyo durable naman siya. Final test. Real. Defense type. Yeah. About that. So, yun nga muna guys no, sa video to. So, I'll see you on the next vid. Bye-bye!